Okay, Unit 6. Taxis, carry, busy, cargo, trucks, heavy, loads, passengers, drivers. Taxis, carry, buses, cargo, trucks, heavy, loads, passengers, drivers. What do you see in the picture? So now this is the picture. You can see taxis, you can see buses, you can see people that are trying to board either the taxi or the bus. These people are called passengers. Okay, so let's come to the main passage. It said this is a busy lorry station. This is a busy lorry station. There are taxis at the station. The taxis carry people. There are buses too at the station. The buses also carry people. There are also cargo trucks. There are also cargo trucks. The trucks carry heavy loads. The trucks carry heavy loads. I can see passengers. I can see drivers. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Page 6 of Graded English Reader for Primary Schools, Book 1. Okay, and the author is Mr. Charles L. Chumesi Ankra. Okay, yes, he has been a teacher for so many years and has written books for students. He has a lot of books under his sleeve. You see, the books he has authored include Efritete. So if you want to learn key books, Efritete, Bisa Mawon Chreo, Kaime Ansa series, Obramu Awonsem. You see, this is maybe I didn't get it correct, but Obramu Awonsem. These are the key books that he has authored or he has written. Nimdie Safi. Okay, and then Oduman Kumansem. You see, and then he has written the Graded English Reader series. Okay, from class 1 to wherever, I think classes or something like that. And then Graded English exercises for schools. So he's having the reader and then the exercises and then the English workbook for senior secondary schools. So he's having English workbooks too for secondary schools. So he has a lot of books. So you can search for some of his books. His name is Mr. Charles L. Chumesi Ankra. Okay, he is a very good author. So you can search for his books. I recommend them strictly for you. You can buy them for your words in class 1. And even an adult who want to learn reading is also a good book for you to start with.